A drink and a sweet treat all in one. These Poison Apple Jell-O Shots are easy to whip up. All your guests are sure to enjoy this treat at your Halloween gathering. I use lime Jell-O, black food coloring, water, and plastic cups with lids. Make your Jell-O per the directions. Immediately after stirring, pour half of the Jell-O mixture into a pourable measuring glass and set aside. Line up the cups without the lids on a baking sheet or tray. Fill each cup about half full with the green Jell-O. Refrigerate for about 30 minutes or until the Jell-O has started to set and the surface is firm. While the green layer is chilling, add black gel food coloring to the remaining Jell-O mixture that you set aside in the measuring cup and stir. Once the green layer is set, fill the cups the rest of the way with the black Jell-O mixture and chill for at least 30 minutes. Add the lids, serve, and enjoy. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.